Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon kung saan ka man sa mundo. And this is AJ Mul again, your aspiring software developer. And right now, may papakita akong bagong web app na ginawa ko. And yes, it's a very basic to-do list website where you can put and categorize your tasks, or especially if you are studying or meron ka mga project na ginagawa or kahit like basic tasks na kailangan mo siyang isulat or something. So this is very helpful. And I will open this one to 100 people, especially to my friends and mga students na na kakilala ko. So yes, this is very basic. There's a login page and registration page. So you can register here. Very basic siya. So full name, email, password, login. Then also you can sign in using your Google. So it's a Google authentication. So directed siya para a lot of people are using are logging in using Google para mas madali siya. Mas madali, alam mo yun. Minsan tamad na sila mag-fill out ng form. So anyways, ginawa ko lang siya para secure and walang spammers because I hate spammers around the world. So the website is very secure as well. It's in my personal account. So ayun, eto lang yung basic na dashboard. Meron ditong like quotes, and on the sides there's a categories. You can delete and add categories here on the side. So like for example, I want to have study for math, for example, like add category. Then when you click this one, you can add tasks. So what for example, I will study algorithm, and some description here. Then after that, some instruction. You can expand this one as well kung mahaba yung description mo para lang makita mo kung ano yung mga task details. Then you can have your deadline here. Tags, it's not necessary, but some people love to put tags, but you can add tasks. Then yeah, you can complete tasks, you can undo also. So makikita mo yung difference niya. So if you add more tasks here, for example, study about science, very helpful sa mga student, and special sa mga sa mga VAs, like if they love to collect all their tasks daily. So ayun, they can complete, like you see, you can have here like progress bars ng mga tasks mo kung ano. So you can also delete tasks here. Yeah, very basic. Something like that. So may meron pang ditong life quotes. Life is what happens to you while you're busy making other plans. So anyways, yes, very basic siya, and you can categorize on the sides. You can log out. There's a log out button here. And very nice feature nito ay yung Pomodoro timer. Yung Pomodoro timer is a technique where you can have focus of a certain time, and you can have long break or short break. So usually, yung sa Pomodoro, if you can search it in Google, Pomodoro starts with 25 minutes work. So you need to focus on working. Then 5-minute break for a short break, or 15 minutes break for a long break. So ayan. So you can set this one here. So actually, yes, you can set this one to one. Depende sa iyo kung ilang minutes yung kayang mag-focus. Pero ako, I always use the 25 minutes to focus. Very helpful siya. So, ginawa ko siyang widget dito on the sides para at least, alam mo yun, para makapag-focus ka sa mga tasks na gagawin mo. Then, ayun, so, meron ka ring, you can have your own break as well, kain, stretching, or stand up or something. So, magagamit to ng mga estudyante or something. And I will open this for 100 people muna. I won't put any ads on it. I just want a lot of people using this one, or and if you want the link, I'll drop the link, or PM me with the link, or I'll drop it in a comment box. Then once naka 100 user na ako, I will just block it. I don't want na madaming gagamit muna, para at least mas okay lang siya na yung I will we'll see kung ano yung progress ng app na 'to. So yes, narinig niyo yung sound yon. Yun yung meaning na mag-break ka na, then another 1 minute. So it's just here, the widgets is just here. So ayun, you can also log out here.